Alright, starting from the rear back. Man, this thing's dirty. I gotta give this a bath. Anyhow, we have our 775 motors. We've got our brake relay. We got our forward backwards relay. We've got our ECU, which is well, not an ESC controller. This is a 12 volt. I'm gonna probably go with a 24 volts. I gotta order that up. Backup beeper and our shifter. Don't mind the mess. We have a gas pedal, our brake pedal. This relay right here is a relay for our low cutoff. This is our distribution block. Over here we have our timer for our boost button. So after about 3 seconds or so, it will stop boost. Our setup boosts from 24 volt to 36 volts. Right here is our low voltage regulator, protection rather. It protects from over, if the battery is getting too low, it protects from ruining the batteries. It's cut off at 19.5 volts. We're running 24 volts constantly with a boost button of giving you a total of 36. Right here is our adjustable regulator, voltage regulator. So this wire goes into this terminal right here, and everything connected to here is 12 volts out, which is good because the relays need 12 volts, not 24 or 36. This guy right here, this is another regulator, and that one is going to this guy over here, and it allows for 12 volts to activate the coil on that one instead of running 24 into it. I had it on hand, so I just used it. Up front here we have 3 batteries. The relay over here is for our boost, and we have an inline fuse, and we have an adjustable fuse right here. Up here we have power on and off, and over here we have a voltage monitor, and then we have our boost button right here.